Hey guys, today we're unboxing this. This is a Dahua monitor. This is 18.5 inch. Let me quickly just turn the box around. But this is just to show you the bracketing solution that it's got, or the ways to mount this, the kind of ports it's got, and yeah, just how the screen looks. It is a very small screen, but still bigger or larger than your 15-inch laptop screen. So this will be a little bit of an upgrade on your laptop screen, or you can use this as a till monitor or anything that doesn't require a very big screen. It says LED monitor. There is the code of the monitor. Let's quickly open up the box and see what you get. It shows here it's got a -5 to 15 degrees tilt, so the screen can tilt. It is packaged in foam, very thick foam. Right, so it's packaged in this kind of arrangement. You do get a HDMI cable. It feels like a very good quality cable. Pretty thick and solid. You get your stand, or the foot of the screen. Seems like it will lock into place like that. Yes, it just goes into place and twist locks into place. It does have rubber feet at the bottom. Oh, there's a little clip, so I guess you should turn it until it locks. There we go. It clicked into place. Now it's locked. Make sure you do that. And the 12-volt power supply. This is 12 volt 2 amps, so 24 watts, and it's got a normal power connector. We get to the screen. Let's take that out of the packaging. Oh, let me hold it like this with the plastic so I don't smudge the screen, but it's a matte. Okay, and that is the Dahua 18.5 inch. They call it the 19-inch screen, but it's 18.5 inch in total. It's got menu buttons, physical buttons at the bottom. This one has got HDMI, VGA, and your power plug over there. It does not have any audio, so there's no speakers built into this. There is speaker holes, but there's nothing built in there. So it will not give you sound like the little bit or the larger monitor. And it does have a VESA mount. It looks like that's roughly 75 millimeters, 73 or whatever, but that's a standard size, so it's a 75 mm one. Let's quickly install the stand into the screen. For that, you just have to line the bracket up. Make sure the 2 pins goes into the top hole and the bottom 2 plates goes into the bottom one, and then you just push it. And there it's fixed into place now. There is a little catch at the bottom of the no, I won't be able to show you that now, but there maybe there's a little catch there which you can unlock the stand to get it out of the screen again. A few things to mention about this screen is that it is designed to stay on 24/7, so it is industrial grade, they say. So you can use this on a CCTV system or anything like that. And Dahua is obviously CCTV or surveillance focused. This has got this is a 720p screen. So it has the HDMI connector, but it's not full HD. The resolution on this is 1366 by 768. And the contrast ratio on this is 1000:1. This is a LED backlit screen, and it's got a 5 millisecond refresh rate. This is 60 Hz, so don't expect anything faster than 60 Hz. The power consumption on the screen is also very little. It's 25 watts. And maybe let's try and connect it quickly to something, and I can just show you how the display looks. I will turn off the light and set the camera to automatic. Okay, I'm taking this video from the top of the screen. Don't mind the lines and stuff. If you have a look from the top of the screen, it is hazy because you have to look at the screen from the front. When I turn the screen straight forward, you will see the picture is crisp and clear. Very nice picture, and I'm doing this through the camera. And from the bottom also you won't be able to see any specific colors. From the sides you've got a pretty large view angle from the sides, but from the top and bottom obviously not. And yeah, that's how the display looks. When you switch off the screen and turn it back on, it's got a display, that a logo that it just shows you, and then it goes to the picture. That is what you can expect of the color quality of the screen. It's very good. Okay, this is a bit of a cable mess, but let me quickly show you what the VESA mount can be used for. Let me just turn this around. So you don't need to just put up the screen. You can also hang something like a little Blackview PC there. This is the Blackview MP60, I think. It's got a small little bracket, so it's using just the top two holes, and it connects, or it just hangs the little device on the back of the screen. And so that is just lifted away from the desk. It's a little bit inconvenient to use your USBs and stuff, maybe if the screen is in a corner, but I mean, it's just one of the things you can use it for. So that's just to quickly give you an idea. Alright, so that is the Dahua unboxed, and you saw how the picture looks and what you get in the box. And hopefully this just helps you to decide if this will work for you. Thanks for watching.